welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can clean your PlayStation 5 controller. So we are going to start off by having one of these, an alcohol pad. Basically what you want to do is buy one of these. Shouldn't be too hard to get one of these. Once you have that, you're going to want to grab the back of your controller. Just start rubbing it. Do it as hard as you can. Then, after a while, it will be clean. If you see really closely, well, you can't see here, but there are very tiny grips, and in those grips, you might get your controller dirty. Easy way to clean that is just using alcohol pads, and it works. The controller is as clean as when I got it. If you like this video, like and subscribe.